You know, my brothers and sisters, Allah is so happy with us, so happy with us. You know, and that's a long story. I don't want to get into it again because of the fact that the angels ask Allah, why are you creating human beings? For bloodshed? To kill one another? Facade? Corruption? Inni a'lamu ma la ta'lamun. Allah says, I know what you don't know. So when Ramadan comes, and the believers fast, and they pray, and they make ibadah, and they read Quran, and they give charity, Allah boasts to the angels. Those are the people you said I shouldn't create. Look at my banda, look at my servants. Allahu Akbar. So let's make Allah happier by rejoicing because Allah has given this as a happiness. When Allah, you know, the fuqaha have said, when Allah grants us a concession, we must appreciate it, enjoy it. Otherwise, it shows a form of ungratefulness to Allah. That Allah has given us something as a concession, Allah has given us something as a gift, and we say, no, Allah, we better, we don't need it. Allah says when you're traveling and you're a musafir, and you're on safar, pray 2 rakats instead of 4. We say, no, Allah, we're more pious than that. We're going to pray 4. Is that right? That's wrong. When Allah gives us a concession, we appreciate it. Allah has given us a day of Eid to enjoy, Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr. Enjoy it. The Sunnah teaches us you dress in your best, you smell nice, you look nice. You smell nice, you look nice. Even Sunnah to eat some sweets before you come to the masjid. So that's why you shouldn't look as though you're dying. Some people look at, I'm like, oh Allah, I feel sorry for the people. Some people still come in their pajamas and like if they're going to sleep. Come on, it's Eid. Enjoy.